And I need you. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
And tight clearance, just to let you know.
Yeah.
Gold Coast Railroad Museum, Miami, Hialeah, Florida, Homestead. FEC 715 Caboose, fully restored, July 31, year 2021. And moving it from the work station into the museum undercover. Got about 20 people inside the caboose. Might hear the engine sound as signal horns. Got some people up in the cupola on the top. The usual is everybody here, is everybody sitting down, is everybody strapped in. I'll see some windows opening up on the cupola.
No, they should be open. What? I think they should open. They might be treated shut. I don't like to wear the shed. Hey, let him keep. Alright, number 2, clear the release in 3-step, clear to shove back in the train shed.
Okay, I heard something about ready to go back to the train shed. 3 shorts, 3 short whistles, horns. Bell means the train is rolling.
What happened, John? You got a demotion? Back to the train.
Man, you look nice today. You cleaned up good.
Here's a different caboose, also in working order. You may notice that the steps are lower to the ground than the FEC caboose. Florida East Coast passenger car number 136. And we've got a NASA diesel switcher engine.